In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Gmail storage limit. Understanding your storage capacity is crucial for managing your emails efficiently and ensuring that you have enough space for all your important messages. We'll walk through the process step by step, so it's simple and straightforward. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Gmail account. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Gmail homepage, which is where you manage all your emails. Now, direct your attention to the lower left-hand corner of the Gmail window. Here, you should see a small gray bar. This is where you can get a quick glance at how much storage you're using. It typically presents a breakdown of your storage, showing the amount used out of the total available. However, this breakdown might not be immediately visible to everyone, depending on your view and settings. For a more detailed view, head over to the Google Account Storage page. This page is your one-stop shop for understanding your storage use across all Google services. To do this, click on your profile picture or initials, typically located in the upper right corner of the Gmail interface. In the drop-down menu, click on Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to a new page with various options for managing your account. Once you're here, look for the Payments and Subscriptions section on the left-hand side. Under this section, select Storage. This is where you'll get a comprehensive look at your storage usage. You'll see a detailed breakdown of your total Google storage, which includes Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. This page will show you precisely how much space your emails are taking up, compared to photos or other documents you might have stored in Google Drive. If you're nearing your limit, you might want to consider cleaning up your Gmail by deleting unnecessary emails or files from your drive. Additionally, Google provides options to purchase more storage if needed. Simply click on Buy Storage, and you'll be guided through the process of upgrading to more storage space. That's pretty much everything you need to know about checking your Gmail storage limit. By keeping an eye on your storage, you can ensure your Gmail account runs smoothly without the risk of running out of space unexpectedly. This simple check can save you from the hassle of missing important emails due to storage overflow. Hopefully, this guide has made it clear and easy for you to manage and monitor your email storage efficiently. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.